Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would be sharing my experience with you guys regarding a new skincare sort of a product that I have tried from Nykaa Skin Secrets. Nykaa recently launched their acne spot patch and I really wanted to try it because I am somebody that I have a very sensitive skin, and whenever I try a new product, it usually breaks me out somewhere either around my nose or on my forehead, and so I decided to give this particular acne spot patch a try. So this is actually the outer packet of the spot patch. Just excuse the fact that how bad it is looking. Honestly, when I was tearing it apart, I didn't have the patience to get the scissors, and that is the reason it looks so bad right now. So yes, this is the outer packaging, and you get a little sheet which contains little patches of the product. You can't see it like this. Okay, so this is a little better. So as you can see, you get a little patches of product. There are a total of 12 patches that you get, and all of them are actually like different sizes. 6 of them are smaller in size, while the other 6 are comparatively larger for the larger acne breakouts that you might have. This set of 12 patches retails for just 100 rupees, and if you are lucky, you can even get it on a discount. So as far as the price range is concerned, this is certainly decently affordable. I basically wanted to give this particular one a try because I had a really bad pimple right here on my forehead, which currently might not be clearly visible, all thanks to this little spot. I used one of the patches from here on my acne and kept it overnight, and this is how my pimple currently looks. Now, before going into how this particular thing works and is it really worth the price, let's just talk about what are the ingredients that are present in this particular product and how these ingredients are exactly helpful for your skin. Now, when you see the outer packaging, this is how the outer packaging looks like. As I said, if you'll just turn it around, you can see the list of ingredients and the instructions of using this patch mentioned right here at the back of the packet. You can also read these things from Nykaa's website. But talking about the two main ingredients that are present in this particular acne patch are mentioned right here, which is tea tree and salicylic acid. Now let's talk about tea tree first. You all must have heard about tea tree sometime or the other. Like, tea tree essential oil is very famous these days, and it actually can be used for a lot of different things. Tea tree is used in hair and scalp treatment. It can also be used to treat oily skin, or it can even be used for certain infections and cleaning the wounds. But because right now we are talking about acne, I would talk about the importance of tea tree as far as the acne is concerned. So basically, tea tree is an anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial agent, and that is what helps it calm the redness and swelling of the skin that you may get after having a pimple. So yes, this is all about tea tree. It helps in the inflammation and the swelling that is caused due to pimple, and that is how this particular ingredient works. Now, the second ingredient in this little patch is salicylic acid, and it basically helps to reduce the acne or the pimple by exfoliating the skin. So now why do you actually have pimple? Pimple is usually caused by clogging of the pores, either by blackheads or whiteheads, or maybe some dust particles or oil, and when the skin is unable to breathe completely, the pores are not clean, and that is the time you see pimple or acne on your skin. So how this particular ingredient works, salicylic acid basically penetrates into the pores and helps in dissolving the dead skin cells that are actually clogging your skin and making your pores get clean, and therefore indirectly helping in reducing the acne spot. Now, salicylic acid can also otherwise be used just to clean your face, but it is not recommended to use it on a daily basis. But if you do have a lot of acne issues, you should consult your dermatologist, and he might give you a cream which contains salicylic acid. The percentage of the salicylic acid that is particularly required for you should always be prescribed by the dermatologist. Now, as this is just a little patch, it doesn't contain a lot of salicylic acid, and that is the reason it would not harm your skin in any case. So salicylic acid and tea tree combined together basically helps you reduce the redness and the inflammation that is caused by the acne, and in return cleaning up the pores and just calming your skin. Now, Now these little patches are actually really easy to use. All you have to do is clean your face, and once you are done tap drying your face, all you have to do is just pick one of these patches which corresponds to the size of your pimple. Just pick one of that and just apply it on your pimple, and just leave it for 7 to 8 hours, or maybe overnight, whichever is comfortable for you. I personally left this patch for overnight, and surprisingly the condition of my pimple was pretty good. I'll just insert a clip of myself using this particular patch and then removing it the next morning, and you will be able to see the difference in my acne before and after. So let's first watch that video together, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so you can see that the condition of my acne was a lot better by using just one of these little patches. Now this patch is like transparent, and nobody would actually be able to see that you have this on, and the products will work wonders for your skin. Now as you have seen that my pimple was still there the next morning, so this is just a skincare thing. It is not magic. It cannot make your pimple vanish overnight, but yes, it does contain very good ingredients, and it does help your acne go away faster. If you have really bad acne, you can apply this for 2 consecutive nights, but after that give your skin some rest. It would definitely feel a lot better. Now one thing about salicylic acid and these patches is the fact that just work on mild pimples. So if you have a very severe acne, this is not the right product for you. This might work for you when you have a little breakout here and there on your face, maybe due to pollution, or maybe due to using the wrong skincare product, which happened with me. So that is when you can use this product. Please do not use this product on your severe acne, because this would not exactly work for it. It might not harm your skin, but it won't work for you, and you might not feel satisfied after using this. So yes, that's all about my thoughts on this Nykaa's new spot patch. If you have tried this product, I would love to know how this product worked for you. But for me, I really liked it, and I think that these little patches are very handy and very easy and convenient to use. So that's it for today's video. Hope you find this video helpful. If you like today's video, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.